Hey guys, I'm your homegirl, Daph.
Hey, all right, so I'm editing a video right now and I realized that I didn't do an intro that I like. So consider this as the intro for this final product that you're watching right now. And in this video, I am going to bring you into a brand new suburb of Houston that has homes starting at $190,000.
We've got homes right now starting from 190, which is unheard of in new construction.
$190,000 for a brand new home in 2024. I know it sounds too good to be true, but hello, it is. And the proof is in the pudding. The proof is in this video. Keep watching.
City of mine. Around Beyond the Home Realty. Today's video, we are the city of mine. It never gets me down. Hey guys, I'm your homegirl Daphne Brown with Beyond the Home Realty. Today's video, we are back in the newest community located in the growing city of Angleton. We're also going to talk to some of the salespeople just to get some more information. But let's go in. Today we are sitting with Christina with Lennar Homes. She's going to tell us all the information, give us the entire 411, do all the things so that you are in the know for what's coming to Angleton, Texas. So thank you so much for doing this. Let's start off with that.
Yes, thank you so much for having me. I'm so honored to be here today.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
All right, I know you're busy, so we won't hold you too long. But we wanted to kind of give the people an idea of what Lennar is bringing to Angleton. Lennar has popped up around Angleton in several communities, and that is a very good thing because for so long Angleton was and somewhat still is a small community with really no new builds or whatever. And then just before COVID and post-COVID, boom, 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 just start popping up new homes. Maybe you can start off with your plans for the Angleton areas, the communities that you're in. Let's start off with that.
Yeah, no, that's a great question. So I'm really excited about what Lennar is doing out here in Angleton. So just like you mentioned, it is a small town feel, and so we're so honored to be able to serve the community out here. So, we've got 3 communities we're actively selling in right now, with a 4th one that will be opening within the next month. And so we've got Windrose Green. That's actually going to be in our final opportunities.
Which is crazy.
I know.
So fast.
Yes, it did. So 4 opportunities remaining. Live Oak Ranch is really exciting for us. It's a pocket community, about 65 homes that are going to be in here. What's really exciting about this community is we are on 60-foot home sites.
That is great because typically we know that they're 40, 45.
So these are some massive backyards.
It means really big lot sizes for you guys, for a buyer. Yeah.
We just grand opened. So right now we've got about really 35 homes we could sell right now. So, and then Gifford Meadows, we've got 5 on the ground right now, ready for a December, January completion. Mm-hmm. And then Riverwood Ranch is going to be opening up within the next month or so for us as well. So a lot of new products and it's a lot of new floor plans. It's really exciting.
Lots of movement. I love
yes.
it. I love it. Lots of opportunities. But listen, now is the perfect time to get in on purchasing a home if that is what is on your vision board. If it's on your manifestation board, now is the perfect and ideal time to do that.
It is. Yeah. And I'm so happy you came today because guess what time it is for us?
What time is it?
It is our year-end inventory sale.
End of the years when buyers typically can realize some really good rock bottom pricing, financing, whatever, to get them in their home at the least amount of out of pocket as possible. Yes.
No, absolutely. So we've done a lot of price improvements across the city. So we've got some pretty aggressive price improvements. We have fridge, washer, dryer incentives with our in-house lender.
Wait.
Reverse.
We have fridge, washer, dryer incentives with our in-house lender.
So appliances, fridge, washer, and dryer right now.
Yep, per home. Yep, but yeah, so free.
So just move your stuff in and you're ready.
Literally.
Really? Okay. I'm excited. Okay, so here in Live Oak Ranch, how many floor plans do you guys have?
That's a great question. So we've got 5. So we're going to start from about 1088 square feet to about 1954 square feet.
And that's 3s and 4s?
3s and 4s.
Okay. So of the 5, how many are 1-story?
Yes. So we're going to have 4 1-stories and then 1 2-story.
So a lot of what I hear from people who don't know about Angleton, they're like, okay, where's that? That sounds like that's in the middle of nowhere. And Angleton has come such a long way. I mean, there's some, room to grow or whatever, like larger grocery stores and things like that. And I love Angleton because it has a lot of mom and pop shops.
Me too. That's what I was so excited about.
Yeah, it's a really cute town.
Oh,
downtown is
yes, it is. And that's what I mean by that close-knit feel is that once you're in Angleton, you don't leave Angleton.
Yeah.
And so, a lot of the buyers here just love that small town feel and the mom and pop shops. And then, for your major purchases, you've got like Jackson 15 minutes away.
Mm-hmm.
So it's in a really good location.
I mean, it's real quick. It's in and out. Traffic is very, very light, which I really love. I have to deal with, all that on the other side. So
no toll roads? Are you kidding me?
No toll roads. Yeah, I know.
Just straight shot.
And Angleton, so in terms of things to do, Angleton is a very big football community, right? They love football, family, football, and God. Like that's,
amen.
That's what Angleton is about. But there are also, like she said, some other things to do, shopping wise. You can go to Lake Jackson, to the Brazos Mall. But then there's also, they do concerts in the park.
Yep.
A couple months out of the year. We just finished the Brazoria County Fair.
Yes.
That was 2 weekends. Right now, you said 65 homes in total.
In total.
Okay, I know we spoke earlier off camera, and you told me that you guys have just had a closing here, so homes are going really fast.
They are.
There's a lot of interest,
yes.
rather.
And we sold 7 homes last week alone in this community. So when I tell you they're going quickly, they really are. We're already getting referrals. Everything is move-in ready. So like I said, especially with, the incentives we talked about, now truly is just the time to buy.
So let's talk to the viewers about price points and what that means for a monthly payment.
Yes, right? Because it's great when step 1, find the right home, right?
Step 1, find the right home.
Step 2, we got to make the numbers work, yeah? So,
Yep.
important. It is, just a little bit. So in terms of our year-end of inventory sale, we've got homes right now starting from 190, which is unheard of in new construction.
My brain understand it. Starting from what?
190. New construction. I had to do the same thing.
Construction.
I had to do the same thing.
Did you hear one? I'm gonna flash it up on
Like a 1, y'all.
90. Okay.
I when I got here, I looked at my inventory and they said, yeah, you're starting the 1s.
Typo. You're thinking typo.
Yeah, I'm like, I've not seen a 1 in a very long time.
Yeah.
And I even did some research as well. And, anything around that price point in this area was built in anywhere from the 50s to the 70s and not in the best condition.
A lot of work, yeah.
Yeah. And so we started the 190s on our inventory. Won't last long.
Right.
Up until about the 255s, I would say is our inventory pricing.
Okay.
In terms of this community, we're going to start from, about the 220s, low 300s.
Okay.
When it's not our inventory sale. And then for a monthly payment, let's take that beautiful 190 home we've been talking about, with a market interest rate of about 6.625 as of last week, that payment's going to put you about $1,800.
Which is what you would spend in rent or more.
Very true.
So what is the property tax rate?
It is 2.61%.
Before
Homestead.
Homestead, okay. And then what is the HOA?
It is $500 annually.
$500 annually, okay. Let's talk about options.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so let the viewers know what that looks like, what that doesn't look like.
Yeah.
Let us know about that.
Absolutely. So Lennar is one of the largest home builders in the nation. And so with that, what we found is that our buyers really like the ease of making that purchase decision. And obviously we want to make sure, because at the forefront of our mind is delivering affordability to our buyers. And part of that also is going to be a quicker move-in time for them as well. So what we've done is we work with vendors across the nation and we said, hey, from the flooring to the countertops, what is your number one most popular choice for these selections? And then we just went in, we bought them all, bought up the supply. So then that way what we could do,
Buy in bulk.
We buy in bulk. And so it makes it easier to make the decision because we say, okay, this is the right home, great. we can move forward. And then, we don't have to worry about, so all of our homes are going to be package based, meaning we've already selected what options and selections are going inside of the home. So it's that, it'll be that. And the reason that we do that, once again, is just to make it easier for them to decide. We don't have to worry about any of the materials being on back order. So we've really done that just to elevate our buyers' purchasing experience with us. Yeah, so no 3 to 4 hour design center appointment where everything is beautiful and it's just too hard to make a decision. We've done all the heavy lifting on our end.
So a buyer comes in, they let you know, or their realtor know what they're looking for. You say, we have this, 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 and this. These are the addresses that may fit your search criteria. Go take a look. Okay.
Oh my goodness, Stephanie. I've been having so much fun talking with you. I can't believe I forgot to mention this.
Girl, what? Because you've mentioned a lot, and it's a lot of good stuff. So what are you not telling us? There's more?
Of course, there's always more.
All right, come on, girl.
So out here in Live Oak Ranch, we are not located in a flood zone. So I just wanted to make sure that I gave you that reassurance.
That's really good.
So you can share.
Yeah, that's really good to know, especially in these times. Hurricanes.
I know we're all a little traumatized.
Yeah, we all are. Thank the Lord.
Amen.
Anyway, so yes, amen. All right, so perfect. Now let's talk about homes that can be moved in before the end of the year. What do you have?
I have options.
Hey, we love options.
Yes. So right here in Live Oak Ranch, we've got about 20 homes that can be moved into by the end of this year.
20?
Mm-hmm. Yes, ma'am.
So I got to get to work. Listen, guys, I'm telling you, if you are looking to purchase a home, I would implore you to think about whether or not the timing works for you, because it's not a matter of, is it a good time to buy a house? It's always a good time to buy a house when it's good for you, when it makes sense for your pockets. But I feel like you should always do it sooner rather than later, because what I feel coming is another wave of multiple offers on homes and all of those things, which we know drive the prices up. So now's the time to get the home. And if you feel like the interest rate is an issue for you, all that can be worked out. But at the end of the day, you can refinance that all, but you can get in the home now, okay?
Exactly.
So you want to make sure that you know that.
Lennar really is a one-stop shop. So not only are we the builder, hopefully of choice, but also we do have our own in-house lender, our own in-house title company, and our own in-house insurance company. So what that really does is, we know that finding a home in the first place can be overwhelming, and it's a long process, right? And then it's, well, okay, cool. I deposited, the earnest money. I signed a purchase agreement. What do I do next? But with having a full in-house affiliated partnership, that just helps make everything that much more seamless. So that way our buyers are not having to just stress about having to find all these different other companies that are needed in this process. It's all here, and all we do is provide a warm introduction, and it just helps, just a more seamless home purchasing experience.
I know these homes qualify for VA, FHA, conventional. What about USDA?
That is a great question. So USDA loans are done per address. So out of the Angleton communities we've discussed today, Windrose Green is going to be the one that qualifies for USDA.
Okay, perfect. Okay, all right, good deal. All right, so thank you.
Thank you. I had too much fun with you.
I'm going to have to come back.
Yes.
Because I want to also do some tours where we walk through the homes.
Absolutely.
And bring that to them. And we try to do that on Mondays.
Yeah, love it.
So, all right, guys, if you have any questions, please drop down in the description of this video to get my information as well as Christina's.
Love you.
One of the main reasons that I would ask a buyer who's looking to purchase to consider Angleton is because everything is so compact and therefore so convenient. From the schools to shopping, recreation, medical services, everything is conveniently located, and to me, that's an ideal situation. Once the community is built out with the 65 homes, here's the layout of how it will look. Right now, we're going to walk you through this Pine Hollow floor plan, which is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and comes in at 1,600 square feet. But please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, because in future videos, we're going to walk you through the remaining 4 floor plans that are offered in this community. As we walk through this home, please keep in mind that what you see in the video are standard features. Okay, so there are no upgrades at this home. This is what you will get. And also for a limited time, Lennar is offering $6,000 in closing costs as well as the appliance package, which includes the washer, dryer, and the fridge.
Love you. And baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. And baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Come on, girl. Yeah, I've loved you so long. Gave my heart, gave my soul. We shared our hopes and dreams, yeah. You were my everything. And I don't have to change. We can make it through the rain. Wanna feel you close. Tonight I'm letting go. 'Cause, girl, it's our time. Just you and I. Don't run, don't hide, no. I'll do it right. We've got all night. I'll take you so high. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Baby, you're my muse. I wanna see you move. Baby, let me love you. Love you. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you, yeah. Love you.
Don't forget, for all of your real estate needs, the homegirl is always ready and willing to enable you to find your way home. Bye-bye.
Hi. I love your sign off. Are you kidding me?